Welcome to my channel, Brick Zone. My name is Gavin, and in today's video, we will be taking a look at my custom creation of the Blip-A from the movie Project Hail Mary. So without further ado, let's get right on into this breakdown of my MOC. So everybody, this is the Blip-A Rocky ship from Project Hail Mary, as you can see on the screen right now. But yeah, this ship is kind of like the letter H turned on its side, and I will give you a 360 turn of it. And yeah, the only color I used was brown. And yes, just to note, I do know about the Lego Brittle Brown era for Lego. And the top is 20 long, and also the bottom, or maybe I should say the top, is 20 studs long, and also the bottom is also 20 studs long. So it's even on the top and the bottom. But yeah, with that, now that will round out my review of my Blip-A MOC from the movie Project Hail Mary. So without further ado, let's round out this video and call it a day. Well everybody, I hope you had fun watching this video, and make sure don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell for any alerts. And then also, please give this video a big fat thumbs up so you will not miss another Project Hail Mary Lego video from me, because I will be doing more Lego Project Hail Mary sets as the weeks go on. And until I see you the next time, peace out and have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye!